Hi everyone, so last thing we have to add is now the logout button. So let's go back up to the top here. We just still have one last thing that we have not added, and that is the logout. So we'll do sign out, and we'll save that. And what we're going to do is go to the bottom right here, and we actually have to set up the sign out button. We also actually have to set up the log out function. So let's go right here under login. We're going to do the logout. And we're doing async await again. And now we actually have to set up the logout with an actual button. So we're going to do that with the last button. We're going to actually put a button. And in this button, we're going to just set up an on click here, but I'll also label it as sign out. And then here I'll add an on click. And I'll call logout. Save it. And right now, this is going to be triggering the logout that is going to be up here, which we've just set up. And what it's going to do is it's just going to grab that authentication and it's going to completely remove it, remove the user, sign them out so they're not logged in anymore. So if we save this and go to our application online, let me close this incognito mode here. And I'm just going to open up a brand new incognito window, go to localhost, and let me see what's here. We got our sign out button here now. So if I log in here with new@new.com, and then I'll enter in the password, set the login user, or log in the user right here by clicking the button, you can see here the user logged in now is new@new.com. And even if I right click and inspect, if I go to the console, you can see here that I'll open it up here. There's new@new.com and it's authenticating with Firebase here. So we're getting the information. But what happens now if I want to log out? So I just click that sign out button. And you can see here it tells me that the user has logged out. And over here on the screen, you can see under user logged in, there's no information displayed anymore because there's nothing to grab. Because this user credential up here is old, it's not going to be available no more. So down below you can see when the user logged out, there's no new credentials given to us, so there's nothing to display. So now the user is logged out.